be learning how to make hexaflexagons. That's right, the thing that everyone was addicted to last year in my school. I don't know about your school or your work, but anyways, if you don't know what a hexaflexagon is, hexaflexagon is basically a hexagon, but folded, and you could flex it by just pinching the three sides, making kind of with like three jagged points, and then finding the inside and pulling it out. So that's how you flex a hexagon. Flex a hexaflexagon. It's very confusing. Yeah. So in this video, you will need tape, a ruler, it's optional, any color paper, doesn't matter, white paper works best, and scissors. So now on to how to make it. So there are two types of hexaflexagons. There's the tri-hexaflexagon and there's a hexa-hexaflexagon. Very confusing names, I know. So the tri-hexaflexagon is this hexagon. This flex-a-hexagon right here. It's a very confusing. So this has three sides. It has this side, it has inside side, and then it has this side. So that's the only three. But the hexa-hexaflexagon has six sides. It has one, and it has two, and it has three. And then there's 4, 5, 6, but I'll teach you how to get to that later. And that's why it's called the hexa-hexaflexagon, because hexa means 6 and tri means 3. Anyways, who cares about math anyway? So now I'm just going to teach you how to make it. So, on my experience, it doesn't really matter how long it is, but it has to be, it's made of 9 equilateral triangles. This is for the this is for the tri-hexaflexagon. So I would suggest just like, I don't know, maybe I use centimeters, okay? I say 3 centimeters or so. So you take that, cut a small bit, as like a reminder. It's better with a pencil, but I'm too lazy to get a pencil. So, okay. And then you can either just draw a pencil with a ruler, but I'm too lazy, so I'm just gonna cut it. It doesn't have to be extremely straight, it just has to be kind of straight. So, yeah. So when you're done, you have your strip of paper, right? So then you fold a small triangle with the point like that. See? You have to fold it on the diagonal, the corner, like that. See? Corner. So then you eyeball an equilateral triangle, or you could just, see this? You just fold it in, and then have this side hit the top, like that. And then you fold it down. There you go, an equilateral triangle. So then, you just keep folding, and I'll see you in a bit. And there you go. 9 equilateral triangles. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So really you only need 8, but the 9th is for gluing or taping. So you just grab your scissors, cut that off. Now you have this strip. Do not get addicted to the flexiness. This is for hexaflexagons, not for bouncy things or springs. So then you count 3. You count 3 equilateral triangles, and then you fold it in like that, right? And then you find this into 1, 2, and then you find this, and then you fold it in like that. So it makes kind of like a hexagon. So then you have this. By the way, if you have like this large flap that goes through your hexagon, like this, that means you did something incorrect. So only small flaps, like tiny flap, okay? So now, once you've done that, grab a strip of tape, take your tape, stick it on just like that. There we go. And now, you have your tri-hexa-flexagon. Okay. Once you've got enough of a tri-hexa-flexagon, you can start working on your hexa-hexa-flexagon, because these get bored really quickly. So I would prefer, the measurements would be like 1.5 centimeters. So measure out 1.5 centimeters. Make a small slit. There you go. And then cut it out. And then you have this. Do the same thing as this. Corner triangle. And then measure out an equilateral. Fold it in. And yeah, just keep moving. And then you just keep folding. Okay, so after you folded 19 triangles, so this is where it's 19 triangles. Cut that off. Now you have to strip. So what you want to do is grab a pencil. Okay, back, pencil. So now you have your strip. You just write 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then at the end you write glue. So now you have this. So yeah, make sure that the bottom is flat. Like, it's not tilted up like that. So now you flip it over, Now you have to have this, like going upwards. So now you write glue, and then you write 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So then, now you have this. And so you flip it back to the side. And then you start here and you start coiling it around. Just like that. So on this side, it would read 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay? So then put it down and then fold it into a hexagon. So you would count. And make sure all the 2s are on the front side. So we fold it here Please hold. That, and then fold it like that. And so now you put the 2 over that. So now it would look like this. It would have all the 2s on the front. So then you see the back. There's a glue and a glue. You don't have to use glue. You can use tape. So it doesn't really matter. So you fold it down, grab your piece of tape or your glue. Or tape, you just have to like make a double-sided tape. Wait. And then you cut it to the shape of the hexagon, to the same size as the little square. Okay, this tape just don't work. Okay, let's try this one. So, same size, put it on like that. And push this down onto it, and there you go. Your Hexa-Flexagon. So now, I'm going to teach you how to flex it. So it's basically the same thing as a normal Hexa-Flexagon, a tri-Hexa-Flexagon, but there's 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So let's say you're at 2, right? 2, fold it down like that, and then you choose a random corner, like this corner or that corner. So let's say you want to do this corner. Push this one in, and then open this up. It's not always going to get you to 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, but if it doesn't, you just keep trying. So like 1, let's say you fold it down like that, and then you want to try this one, this corner. Push it in, and then flap. You get 3. And then push these 2 down, push 1 in, open it up, and you get 6. So there is no pattern that I know of, but yeah, it's just cool. And one last thing, for these tri-Hexa-Flexagons, you can put cool designs on them like this. So you can like, for this, you can like draw a circle in it. And then maybe like put, like let's say this is like a planet and you put a home here. And then you put a volcano over here. And then let's say for this side you want to put like a mountain. So now this is your planet. And so if you use your tri-Hexa-Flexagon, and now they're on different worlds. It's cool. I'm gonna leave the rest of the imagination to you. So thanks for listening, guys. That's how you make a Hexa-Flexagon and a tri-Hexa-Flexagon. Thanks for listening. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, see you next time.